In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a schedule in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. Once you're on the home page, choose Start a new spreadsheet to create a blank sheet. This gives us a clean canvas to build a simple, flexible schedule. When the sheet opens, click into the first cell at the top left. We'll use the first row as the header area. Type your schedule title, then click across the top row to select the header cells so you can format them together. Use the toolbar to make the header clear and easy to read. Adjust the font size, apply bold, and center the text. Little visual cues like this help your schedule stand out at a glance. Next, click across the top row where your day labels will live. You can keep these cells selected and use the toolbar to add a light background color so your header is visually distinct. If your columns feel cramped, hover over the border between letters and drag to widen them. A bit of space now will make the whole sheet easier to read later. Now move to the first column on the left. This column is perfect for time blocks. Click the cells where your times will go and format that column so it's legible. Center the text, consider bolding the first cell, and choose a consistent time format. If you're adding a lot of time slots, type the first couple and use the fill handle to continue the pattern down the column. Keeping your intervals consistent, like every 30 or 60 minutes, makes the schedule simple to scan. With your top row and first column prepared, click inside the body of the grid to create the working area for tasks and events. Select the whole area and add borders from the toolbar so each block is clearly defined. You can also add subtle shading to alternating rows or specific sections, which helps separate mornings, afternoons, or different teams without overwhelming the page. As you click into cells to fill your schedule, keep formatting consistent. Align text, wrap long entries so they stay visible, and use a single highlight color to mark priorities or deadlines. If you need more space, select additional rows or columns and insert them where needed. When you're done, give the sheet a quick scan to ensure headers, times, and blocks line up cleanly and everything is easy to read. That's it. Your schedule in Google Sheets is ready to use and share.